Hey there, I'm Joel Lightcatcher, and I want to see you in the air, flying your own FPV drone, or as we like to call them, quadcopters. I've created the beginner's guide to building your own drone, and I'm going to show you some scenes right now. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in a few minutes. So what is FPV drone racing? It's the newest sport. You can even watch professional drone racing on ESPN. FPV means first-person view, much like a video game. It's kind of like the Star Wars ride at Disney, only for real. For many, it's like an out-of-body experience. Imagine you're 1 inch tall, sitting on the nose of a flying machine the size of your sneaker, flying fast over and under gates all over a field. The one who makes the most laps in 2 minutes wins the race. There's also freestyle acrobatic competitions too. It's also a social lifestyle for some. There are FPV drone clubs and meetups most everywhere. So why do it? It's the next step up from flying video drones like the DJI Phantom. These GPS drones practically fly themselves. It's not much of a challenge. When I saw a group of FPV flyers for the first time, I was hooked. The geek in me had to do it. The drone technology is evolving incredibly fast. There's always something new to learn and fly. Seeing my drone piloting skills improve every time I fly, it's amazing. And it's still an exciting and awesome experience every time I fly. Welcome to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed yourself and learned something today. If you did, please leave a comment below. Introduce yourself, say hi, and I want you to meet someone. That's Ed. Ed's my assistant. When you click on Ed's head, you subscribe to this channel because I put out fresh quadcopter videos every week. And if you subscribe, you'll know about it. You'll be the first to know about it. Until next time, I will see you in the air.